Hi, it's Julie Stobie from Mind Over Clutter. It's spring cleaning time, and I don't usually do it, but two situations happened to me this year. One was two daughters were moving and brought home some furniture for me, and one was a minor flood. So here in my garage you see the electronics pile that's going to electronic recycling. I use Tech Heads, TECH-HEAD in St. Catharines. The next is the dump pile. Mattresses generally have to go to the dump because thrift stores don't want them. They're worried about bed bugs. I have a hutch that served me well, but no longer is needed. And then because of a flood, I went through my storage area and then added a few things from my garage. So you see old hockey sticks and sports equipment, broken chairs. Then I have my donation pile. I received a single bed from one of my daughters, so that allowed me to reorganize some bedrooms, and I'm getting rid of two mates' beds and donating them with the headboard. Don't forget to donate the bedding when you donate a bed if you don't need that size anymore. And I have some desk chairs that came out of that storage area where the flood was. Over here I have a table that holds smaller items in boxes that I'm going to donate along with specialty items. So I have a trombone case that I will take to a music program for them to use. And below I keep a container for batteries and medication to donate when I have enough of them. So if you need help doing your spring cleaning, please give me a call at mindoverclutter.ca and I'd love to help you.